Today is Sunday and I woke up at 11:11, which is a great time though. Angel numbers, yeah. So I woke up at 11:11, then I cleaned my room and then I went for taking bath, and then I just prepared myself in this way and had lunch and all, then prepared myself in this way. Then now I am taking out myself for a Sunday outing in Patna. I'll show you what I'm going to do, but till then just wait for a minute, and stay tuned. So this is the place I randomly picked up today for Sundaying, a spiritual solo date with myself. I haven't planned, but just was roaming around in Patna and just picked up this place. So let's get started. Before entering the park, I booked my ticket, and although I wanted ticket for visiting museum with the Buddha Smriti Park, the name of the place is Buddha Smriti Park, sorry to mention it lately, but I got the ticket for Karuna Stupa. First time in Buddha Smriti Park. I have been here for more than 1 year now, but for the first time I'm coming over here. Hope it will be a great time over here, and there are ticket section over there, counter section, and I have already shared the view. So today I got Patliputra Karuna Stupa ticket, and with that Buddha Smriti Park. Let's show you the view. It's really pretty beautiful. I mean, it's really beautiful, the view. And today the weather is also quite nice, so it feels nice to be here. Otherwise, if it would have been that much hot and humid, then maybe it would not have been possible to be here today. So I am now going to the Patliputra Karuna Stupa. Hope it will be a great experience only. Let me show you it's so beautiful over here. It's centralized AC, and you have to open your shoes before entering. And after I went inside, I sat for half an hour or 45 minutes, and then I came out and then I shot my rest video. I am actually not feeling like going back. The kind of environment over here you can experience, that's really rare. The music, the slope, and I just came outside. I went to visit Karuna Stupa. It's just lovely, something else. It's not allowed there to use phone or any kind of photography, so you just have to go, and a great place to meditate yourself. I mean, over there. Meditation purpose, for meditation purpose if you are coming over here. So it's a really great place.
been here in this 1.5 year. If I could have come for at least, I was just thinking that why I wouldn't have visited this place so far. I mean, at least I could have come before for once in a week. It's a great place to just to sit and soothe your mind, soothe your whole system. And it's a really, I mean, I have visited few of places in Patna, but one of the best place I found this one because of the environment inside there. It's really something else which I can't just express in my words. And I thank God that I have taken me out for Sunday, and I chose this place to visit randomly. And maybe they say that when it's something about something religious place or spiritual things, it has a proper time. They call you can't just be around over there. So I think it was a great decision that I randomly picked up this place today, and it was not a plan. I just came out, and I didn't know that where I am going today. Generally, we visit malls or go for movies. Generally, in this 1 year, I have done that, but this is the first time I visited a place like this, and really, it's a great experience that I have been here. And yeah. I'm just roaming around here, and I don't feel like going back to home, frankly speaking. I'm feeling like going inside again and sit again, which is not possible yet. So yeah. You can see how lovely view it is over here. Seriously, I should have come earlier and should have visited this place. I really felt just amazing. I can't just describe in words. As I am alone, so I don't have anyone to click my picture, but yes, I told security guard over here to click 1 or 2 pictures of mine, and they did that. They were so sweet. In fact, they asked me, one of the security guard, when I went inside the Karuna Stupa, that, are you from Kolkata? I said, yes, I am from Kolkata. I don't know how he guessed, but yes, he guessed. And when I said, yes, I am from Kolkata, then I said, okay, come. And they were very happy. I mean, I don't know, they maybe like Bengali people or something. So yeah, then I went inside and had a great time over there. Really had a great time over there. And although I bothered them for clicking my picture and so, yeah, although I bothered them for clicking my picture and all, but yeah, they were so sweet. Yeah.
I really felt blessed that this place actually chose me today. It's an heavenly feeling actually.
And after so long, I have taken me out like this alone, and I mean, it's been 3-4 years that I've been for any solo trip or something, and it's been, but yes, I used to visit for shopping and used to go for shopping alone and all, but like this, it's been a while that I haven't been. So after a long gap, when I did that today, it feels really lovely. It feels kind of empowering quite more. I'm just trying to show you the view over here. It's just amazing. So much of green and the cloudy sky. I mean, the sky is so nice today, cloudy. So yeah. Now I'm going down and showing you the view over here. There was a museum as well. I mean, there is a museum as well, but it's closed for today. I mean, after 5 o'clock it gets closed, and I came here around 5:30. So yeah, I didn't get to see it. Hope I'll try next Sunday or I mean on any day to come over there and to visit the place. So let's see, and then I'll show you as well how that is. Physics wala. Okay. It feels like I'm visiting Patna for the first time.
Here, when I just came, and I really felt like clicking some pictures, so there was a lady, security guard only. I asked her to click my picture. She's the one, and she clicked my some beautiful pictures, and then I took a selfie with her. Random people I met today, they were really so sweet, warm, and the way they were to me, it was really overwhelming. I really felt really nice and charged, and it was, entirely refreshing. Then I was just roaming around and throughout the park, and then I met another security guard who started telling me. I started talking to him randomly, and he started telling me the history of this place. So yeah, you'll get to see it soon.
आप जहाँ घूम रहे हैं, ये अभी बुद्ध स्मृति पार्क है।
यस।
इससे पहले ये बांकीपुर सेंट्रल जेल था।
ओके। और ये वाला प्लेस मतलब बेसिकली क्या था? ये मतलब ये जो है
की दीवार टूटा हुआ है पहचान के लिए।
अच्छा,
पहचान के लिए।
ओके। घूम के देख सकते हैं?
हाँ, देख सकते हैं। आगे जो है, आगे वहाँ सिलावट पर लिखा हुआ है।
अच्छा,
आप देख सकते हैं।
ठीक है। हिंदी में लिखा हुआ होगा सर?
हाँ, हिंदी इंग्लिश सब।
इंग्लिश में है ना? ठीक है।
इंग्लिश भी है और हिंदी भी है, सब में लिखा हुआ है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू। मिलके अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से। ये कहते हैं कि पाटलिपुत्र के जेल था। अब लेट्स सी। एंड आई एम जस्ट वॉकिंग इन द ग्रास एंड इट्स सो वेट। या can you see the weather today? I mean, it's just saying that you should come out of your home and just should visit somewhere nice. वो जेल के दीवारें हैं जिसके बारे में वो सर बता रहे थे। वही टूटा फूटा सा दीवार जिसके बारे में सर ने बताया। मुझे नहीं पता है मैं अलाउड टू गो देयर और नॉट, मतलब इसके अंदर जा सकते हैं या नहीं। इसलिए ये जो वो बता रहे थे remains of the Bankipur jail, first reference in archival records 1895, shifted in the year 1994. Many freedom fighters were imprisoned here. This is the place.
Here are some random pictures which I clicked, and I also got clicked, and thanks to them who clicked me. So here are those pictures I have added. So just have a look at this beautiful clicks, and yeah, that's all. I was just taking all the vibes. After roaming around, the entire park, I just sat for a while on a bench and I video called my parents. I showed them the entire view, the place, and then just I sat for a while and I was talking to them. Then we were talking and we were saying that the time they visited, my parents visited Patna, I didn't show them this place. So next time whenever they are coming, first thing I'll be taking them out for this place. So yeah, that's all for now. Take care, you all. Have a lovely time.